NT1M/NE2T1M is a highly efficient serial to Ethernet data module. In this video, we will thoroughly explain the connection procedures for this module. The NT1M/NE2T1M products have some minor differences in specifications, but their connection and configuration processes are largely the same. The demonstration will use NE2T1M as an example. During the demonstration, we will use the NT1M/TM test baseboard. Once everything is ready, we will begin connecting the module. The test baseboard is equipped with a Type-C interface and an RS485 interface. If you choose to use the Type-C interface for communication, please remove the EN jumper cap. If using RS485 communication, the jumper cap needs to be installed. Using the Type-C interface is relatively simple. Just plug the module into the board and connect it to the computer via a Type-C data cable. The network interface can be directly connected to the computer or through a switch to ensure that the computer and module are on the same network. Next, we will verify whether the module can successfully communicate. If the network interface is directly connected to the module, you need to manually configure the network interface address of the computer. In the demonstration, the IP address is set to 192.168.3.100 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. The address can be set arbitrarily. Just ensure that the computer's network address can communicate with the module. After confirming the settings are correct, we will use serial port tools and network debugging tools to test and check whether the data can successfully be converted bidirectionally. This demonstration is only to verify the correct connections. For configuration of the product, please refer to the relevant manuals or videos. If using a switch for convenience, here we set the device's network port to dynamic IP mode through configuration software. Similarly, we will use serial port tools and network debugging tools for testing to check whether the data can successfully be converted bidirectionally. Next, we will use the RS485 communication method. First, install the EN interface jumper cap. Then use a USB to RS485 converter to connect the computer to the test board, ensuring A is connected to A and B to B. Regarding module power supply, please refer to the product manual as different modules have different power requirements. When using RS485, power can be supplied via Type-C or directly through pin headers. In the demonstration, we will use pin headers for power. The method of connecting the network interface is the same as when using Type-C. Again, after confirming the connections are correct, we will use serial port tools and network debugging tools for testing to check whether the data can successfully be converted bidirectionally. Please note, the above demonstration is only a demonstration of communication wiring methods. In actual applications, please operate according to the actual situation. If not using the test baseboard, the communication interface should use TTL. For port definitions, please refer to the product manual. All pins are brought out in the test baseboard, and here in the demonstration, we will not use the baseboard's conversion function for communication, but will connect directly to the module via wires. In the demonstration, we will also use a USB to TTL converter, connecting the converters TXD and RXD to the modules RXD and TXD, respectively. Next, use a power supply compliant with the product specifications to power the module. After confirming the connection is correct, plug it into the computer, and the method of network access is the same as previously introduced. Again, use serial port tools and network debugging tools for testing to check whether the data can successfully be converted bidirectionally. This concludes our explanation of the product's connection. Thank you for watching. Thank you.